Hello, my name is Martin. Today I want to demonstrate you my demo app for the Intel RealSense AppChallenge 2040, which is a plugin for the famous presentation tool called Reveal.js. In front of me you see the 3D camera. On the main screen the demo app presentation is already running, and on my right hand side you see the debug console. Of course, the debug console is not intended for end users to see, but today I want to show you more insight about how this app is working, so you will see messages popping up there. Reveal.js is a framework for easily creating beautiful presentations using HTML. You will need a browser which supports CSS 3D transformations to see it in its fully glory. It was written by Hakim El-Hattab. It's widespread all over the internet, and as a developer I already know it from many conferences, and I've also written my presentations for myself in Reveal.js or saw others doing so. For this demo I'm using these 4 gestures from the Intel RealSense SDK. The swipe, of course you saw, it will either navigate to the previous slide or to the next slide. The V sign will toggle the pause mode, which blanks the screen out. The tap gesture will toggle the overview mode. And for a better navigation, I've implemented a throttling algorithm which prevents too many gestures happens in short time, so the animation you saw has enough time to give the user feedback. I have an idea to open source this RealSense plugin because, as I said, there are many users out there. They are either creating presentations or consuming them. There's also an online editor available. On Slides.com, the company behind states itself that they have 200,000 users. And in my vision, this plugin I've created will be integrated into the core distribution of Reveal.js. So many users will be RealSense enabled by default. And with all my open source experience, I would say that this is as simple as a GitHub pull request. For this demo I've used the TypeScript language. TypeScript was developed by Microsoft and it's a superset of JavaScript. I prefer the statically typed system and the class-based inheritance. And of course, to make this run in your browsers I need a kind of transpiling. That's why I'm using the build system grunt, which itself is very commonly used in JavaScript projects. On this GitHub URL I plan to make this code available after the early demo app submission, and I've tested it in the 3 major browsers I have available here on my Windows 8 machine, which is of course Chrome, Firefox and the Internet Explorer. To say it with my developer words, while participating in the app challenge I had a lot of fun. As you may saw, the gesture detection is a little bit wobbly, but I'm looking forward to the next RealSense SDK update or to improve my own code. I found the forum very helpful. There were quick responses from the Intel employees and other discussions going on there. And of course, I want to thank you Intel for making this app challenge happen.